For computer assembling and maintenance, we already seen about what are the things we need for a computer assembling and maintenance. Main basic things are the what we have to know is the input output devices and what are the devices inside the CPU. Okay, now we already know about input output devices. So now we are going to see about the devices inside the motherboard. Motherboard mainly we want to know about the memory. Okay, now we are going to discuss about only the memory. Memory is of two types. One is primary memory and another one is secondary memory. Why it is called as primary memory and secondary memory? What is the use of the memory? Mainly the use of the memory is storage and retrieving. Okay. Storage and retrieving. Without storage and retrieving, we cannot do anything. Any process cannot be done and there is a no use of it. If we are saving a project, we want to get again the project what we need. So say storage and retrieving is the main concept of our overall importance is the main thing, that is the storage. Okay, for that only we are using computers. Okay, now we can see about primary and secondary memory, why it is called as so. The primary memory, why it is called as so means because when it is in the motherboard, the processor will be there beside the processor, that is very near to the processor. There is some memory means that memory is called as a primary memory. Okay, if the processor is if the memory is somewhat out of that, the motherboard itself very small only, but somewhat not closer to the processor is known as the secondary memory. Okay, now we can see about the primary memory and secondary memory, isn't it? Primary memory is the RAM. We will say mostly RAM. Okay, RAM is the primary memory. Next is this hard disk. You all know about hard disk, is it? You have heard about hard disk. Okay, so the memory nowadays there are changed to many types. Now the hard disk also changed to SSD cards. But we are going to see about the basics, that is before how it was. Now it was changed a lot. Now all are inbuilt inside the laptop itself. We don't want to insert or don't want to create and all are inbuilt. But before it was not like that. Now we are going to see the basics what already done, already happened. Now we are going to see that we can use now also. Not an issue. We can use the motherboard. Whatever the slots there are available, we can insert it and we can use it. Now also we can use that. Not an issue in that. But overall percentage of that is reduced. That is what I'm saying. Okay. I will share a screen for the memory card. So you can see what is that memory card consist of. Okay. Okay. This is the memory card. Okay, this memory card consists of many types. This is the memory card. Okay, see, these are different types of memory cards. Why it is told that 184 pin, 240 pin like that? Because when you calculate this, it will be about 184 pins will be there. You can see a red line in that. It is a slot where the space will be given. There will be some like little curve will be there. With this curve, according to this memory card, the slot which is available, we have to insert into that. I will show the slot also, how the slot will be and how to insert also I can tell you. Okay, these are the different types of memory cards. Now I show the card. See, this is the slot which is available in the motherboard. Okay, the memory card will be inserted inside the slot. You can see the purple color slot, no? Like this slot. In orange color slot, they are already inserted the memory card. So it is not seen. You can see that memory card in that. See, there is another one memory card in orange slot. Here also another one orange slot. You can see in that they have inserted the memory card. And you can see the purple color, that is in that purple color, you can see in the middle, there is a small bulge over a place. It is the slot. I showed in the memory card, no, there will be some small curve. So that curve has to be inserted into the correct place of that. After inserting, see that the sides there is a lock is there. We have to pull that memory card inside and we have to lock with that lock. Then only it will work well. Then only it will be connected to the motherboard. Where mainly our computer assembling maintenance is to know about assembling and disassembling and also to troubleshoot. Whenever you are seeing the memory is not seen or not available to access, like that if you see means you can troubleshoot easily. The memory slot is not inside, otherwise the memory slot is not connected correctly, inserted correctly. Like that you can understand, okay? This is what the memory card and the slots. You can see now? Okay. So with this, you understand what is memory card and what are the slots. See now, this is the slot, this is the memory card. According to that, according to the slots only, we can insert the memory card. We cannot insert different places. See, here is a bulge. According to the bulge, some places, some of the slots may have the bulge side or in this side. So this will not connect to all the slots. You can see here now. There is some curves are there. Okay, here is some curve. According to the slot, according to that only we can insert a memory card. We cannot insert any memory card to any slots. The slots must be correct, must suit the memory card. Okay, this is what we can see about, and also I will say about each of the DIMM and all later. Now we can see about the hard disk drive. See the hard disk drive. This is the hard disk inside. We are seeing the hard disk, no, it will be like this only. Inside the hard disk, this is allocated like this. We can see a track. In this, I want to explain completely about the track, sector, what is NTFS file, how the header will work, and how the header are used. In each header, what it is used. This and all we can see in the next portion. Okay. Thank you.